Welcome to Spilling the Coffee. I'm Taylor.
And I'm Emmanuel.
And today we'll be giving you guys the part 2 of how to find a job using social media. So in part 1, we talked about how to use your job hunting strategy. And the first steps of that would be how to create a person persona, as well as how to pick the right platforms.
Yes.
So part 2, we're going to be talking about how to implement that job hunt strategy.
Yes, and one of the fundamental part of implementing this strategy is to leverage social media networking. There was this interesting study done by PayScale that showed that over 70% of jobs were gotten through networking or social networking, so that's very important. Yeah, and there are a couple of things that I think everybody should take note of when they are trying to leverage social media. Number one is, if you want to reach out to someone on LinkedIn, which is the #1 career development or career professional transitioning platform, you have to have a credible and clean profile. A lot of students connect with me and they don't even have a profile picture, so you don't want to do that.
Right. Not knowing what the person looks like, even though it doesn't really matter, it doesn't help your cause pretty much.
Yeah. And number 2, which is very fundamental, I had to learn this the hard way, is in order for you to get something out of someone, you need to build a relationship. And with social media, especially LinkedIn, you see people doing a lot of posts, writing a lot of articles. You want to make sure, number 1, you send them a connection request and add a note. Very simple. It takes 2 seconds to do. And you engage with their content on LinkedIn. It's important because now you have something to talk about. The
people that you want to befriend or connect with are usually thought leaders in your industry. And if you come off as a thought leader in your industry as well, that's an easier connection to make. And it gives you more credibility. After you've leveraged your social media networking, what would you say the next step would be?
I'd say be vocal about your job search. And the reason for this is, in our Gina module, we teach students how to have a humble ending and an ask. And a lot of students don't know how to have that ask. So
I couldn't have said it better myself, Emmanuel. If you didn't catch our first part of how to find a job using social media, there'll be a link above. But that was our episode of Spilling the Coffee. We'll see you next time.
Thank you and see you next time.